In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy more iPhone storage on your device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first go into settings, hit on your name to get into your Apple ID and then hit on iCloud. And now here you see your iCloud storage, and now you can tap on manage storage to increase storage on your iCloud. Here you can tap on change storage plan and select between that options. Here is 15 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes and 2 terabytes of iCloud storage you may buy. Just select the plan and hit upgrade to iCloud and confirm that action by double click on the power button. That is how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.